Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello everyone, welcome in. Thank you for joining me today. And today is very exciting because we're going to pick the winner of my sock yarn giveaway, and which I'm doing every month, and it goes on for a week from Tuesday to Tuesday, and I pick the winner on Wednesday and it's announced on Thursday. And just to refresh your memory, we've got Knit Pros 2.5 circular 9-inch needle, knitting needle, some stitch markers, the light bulb stitch markers, and 2 skeins of, this is called Sock Yarn Uranus 75 wool 25 nylon, and the colour is FV03, and you get 2 of them. So this will make one sock and this will make another sock. So guys, let's turn to the computer and pick a winner. So at the video that I'm going to pick the winner on, I've copied the URL and we're going across to here, and I'm going to drop the link, filter for duplicate users, and filter based on a text, and the word that I asked you to put in the text was light bulb. And I need to do the sum, and then let's see how many comments we've got, guys. 113. Thank you all very much for commenting. So good luck everybody, let's pick a winner. Lani Paul Manal. Thank you for your generosity, Linda. The light bulb stitch markers are new to me and would love to try them. So I need to check that she's a winner, guys. So let's just go and see if I can see if she's a part of my channel. So let's see if she is. I will stop it here and I'll come back and show you if she's a part of my channel. I am, guys. So Lani Paul Manal, you are today's lucky winner. So Lani, you are today's winner. Please email me at this address with your home postal address so I can send your prize off to you. You have a week, you have until the 24th of November to contact me. If you don't contact me by then, you forfeit your prize and I will pick a new winner. Thank you to each and every one of you who entered. There will be one in December, a sock yarn giveaway. And don't forget, guys, when you subscribe, I must be able to see that you're subscribed to my channel. And I usually put a link below of how to enable me to see your subscriptions, you know, to make sure that you are, because at the end of the day, guys, my giveaways are for my subscribers as a little thank you for commenting, for leaving thumbs up, for joining me on my lives on Wednesdays. So good luck, Lani. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.